In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter conversion balances in Xero. If you're setting up a new organization in Xero, one of the most important tasks is entering your conversion balances correctly. These are the opening balances that bring your existing account totals into Xero from your previous accounting system. Getting this step right helps ensure your reports are accurate from the very beginning. So let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, go to the conversion balances screen. To do that, open the accounting menu, then go to Advanced and select Conversion Balances. This is the area where you'll enter the starting balances for your accounts. If you're moving from another system, this is where those figures are transferred into Xero so your records can continue smoothly. Next, set the conversion date. Choose your conversion date, which is your start date in Xero. This date is important because it tells Xero when these opening balances should take effect. Make sure you use the correct date based on when you want to begin managing your books in Xero. In most cases, this is the first day of a new financial period or the date you officially switch from your old accounting system. Taking a moment to confirm this date now can help prevent reporting issues later. After that, enter your balances. On the Conversion Balances page, you'll see your chart of accounts listed line by line. For each account, enter the appropriate debit or credit balance. It's important to place each amount on the correct side, since Xero uses this information to build accurate opening figures for your business. Work carefully through each line item and make sure the amounts match your existing records. If you're using figures from a trial balance or from your previous accounting software, this is a good time to double check them before moving on. Once all balances have been entered, save your work by clicking Save. This stores the opening balances in Xero and applies them to your selected conversion date. Before you leave the page, it's a good idea to quickly review what you entered and confirm that everything looks complete and properly aligned. That's all it takes to enter conversion balances in Xero. By navigating to conversion balances, selecting the correct date, entering each debit and credit balance carefully, and saving your changes, you can create a clean starting point for your accounting records in Xero.